Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is Nikhat Sharif, Kunyat Fudel. I am a certified hijama therapist now, alhamdulillah, and all thanks to Sara, ma'am, who has guided me into this, and I have achieved the diploma in hijama therapy from Darul Arqam Online Academy. The course is really beneficial for everyone. I would recommend each one of you to do this course. It is really beneficial, and we are reviving a sunnah in a professional and hygienic way. Hijama, we are going to learn in this course, you will be learning how to practice hijama in a professional and hygienic way. So we have many people asking how can we do it online. Actually, it was quite a doubt for me too, whether we can be doing it online or what. But the course is designed in a very extensive manner in which step-by-step instructions are given, and we have to submit such video assignments which will help us in practicing hijama. Even before practicing hijama, we have a series of video assignments which are to be submitted. Instructions are given by the teacher, Sara, alhamdulillah. She is given step-by-step instructions on how to send the videos, how to do it practically. So it was very helpful for me, and even if you do it, you will definitely recommend another one for it. I'm sure about it. And the videos are like step by step. Even the basic stuff is to be submitted in an assignment form, and it won't be approved until it's done perfectly. So there are no chances of just getting pass by chance or by luck. You have to be very accurate in your videos and your practice. So the first we were taught how to even simple video assignments like wearing of gloves or removing of gloves, and incisions are not done directly on the skin first. Instructions are given to do it, practice it on paper, and practice on tissue or on different types of surfaces. So like sponge, orange, and when the teacher is confirmed that she feels that the student has learnt it well, then incision can be done on this patient on a human skin. So it's not at all risky, and I'm really giving you full guarantee that you will definitely benefit from this course. We even have anatomy and physiology basics in this course, which will help us in understanding the human body, how it reacts, and what organs are to be related with what disease, and many more things. So in a short video, it's very difficult to explain uh, what was the exact course about. I would definitely recommend you to do it. And after getting my certification, alhamdulillah, and we have to do case studies also. We won't get diploma in hijama therapy just like that. We have to do 4 case studies. So when we are given a green signal to do incisions on humans, then we have to do case studies, and that will help you a lot, and that will help you in getting the diploma certificate. So only after that is done, we are approved of the certificate. So and after practicing hijama, alhamdulillah, by the will of Allah, alhamdulillah, many of my patients have recovered. Just to name a few PCOD cases, the cysts have completely vanished, and I was really happy about it. I was feeling immense satisfaction that this thing happened, and we can see the satisfaction and pleasure on the client's face too, that they say their disease is cured or their issue is solved. Allah made me a source to do that. It was really, I really don't have words to express my feelings, how it was. It was immense satisfaction. And we can just thank Allah for giving us this opportunity, and really bless our teacher, Sara ma'am, Faiza Farhin. She has helped each one of us in all doubts we had. All instructions were given in very simple manner. Like anyone can do it. You just need to know a little bit of English, and you should know, like, you should be of you should have done 10 plus 2. Any in any field is fine. You don't need to be a science student to do hijama. You can practice, you can learn this diploma in hijama therapy on your own itself. I mean to say, like, no science background is needed. Okay, and I think that was it. And some people ask why fees is so much, why fees is so high. But I assure you, this fee is nothing. We have seen cases where such courses are being charged too much, lakhs of rupees. And they keep some conditions too, that after getting certification from a institute, you have to work here for 1 year or so. So you have, I feel the fee is very minimal. It is not so high when compared to the knowledge that has been imparted by Sara ma'am. The fee is really minimal. You will be glad that you've invested that much amount, and not just the amount, you'll be receiving it after you practice, definitely. But the knowledge you gain, and the ajr you gain, is immeasurable. So I feel that each one of us, as Muslims especially, should learn hijama, because it was recommended by the angels on the night of Miraj. Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam was instructed that teach your ummah hijama, and the cure is in hijama and honey. You must be aware of the hadith too. So this is the best we can do for our ummah. Even for, you can start off with your family members. There are people who are suffering a lot, especially with pains. Hijama does wonders with pains. I have seen this as live example with my family too. Pain such as knee pain and other back pain, and that has completely vanished after a few sessions, and the client doesn't the patient doesn't feel the pain much, almost eradicated. So the video has gone quite long. I want to say more, but I think it should be enough. If you have any doubt, you can contact Sara ma'am on the number given, or you can contact through email too. May Allah protect us all, and may Allah reward us all, and for practicing the sunnah, and may Allah rewards Sara ma'am. She has been guidance to us for she has been guiding us throughout the course, and even now after becoming a hijama therapist, even if we have any doubt, she is always ready to help us. That's it. I think that should be enough. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.